Hi, this is Janice and welcome back to my channel. In this video today I will be showing you how to make a raspberry jello mousse. This is really simple to make. It only requires a couple of ingredients, and the first thing that you will need is a glass pan like this. It doesn't have to be really big. You will also need one package of raspberry jello, one container of strawberry yogurt, and then you also need 1 cup of water. So let's get into this video and I will show you how simple and quick this recipe is going to be. First step is going to be pouring 1 cup of water into my pan, and we're going to bring this water into a boil. And then once we have the water boiling, and then we can go ahead and proceed with the next step. I already boiled my 1 cup of water, so now I'm going to pour this into this little bowl here, and then I'm going to add my raspberry jello into the bowl. And once you have the jello in here, then you're going to mix it all up. Make sure you get all the jello mixed in well with the water. And once you have that all completely dissolved, then you're going to add 1 cup of cold water. Then I'm adding 1 cup of cold water into my jello mixture, and then I'm going to stir it once again until it gets all nice and dissolved. And once you have it all mixed well, the next step is going to be you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and that way, once it's done in 30 minutes, we'll remove it out of the refrigerator and then we'll continue with the next ingredient. So don't go anywhere because I have more to show you on this recipe. It's been 30 minutes now, and I just removed my bowl of jello out of the refrigerator. So now I'm ready to go on to the next step. Okay, the mixture is already becoming really liquidy now, so I don't see any more pieces of the yogurt in here. So after this is all mixed well, I am going to grease my pan here with some oil. You can use any kind of oil you prefer. Just need a little bit. And you're just going to spread it all around the pan, the bottom and also on the sides. And once your pan is all nice and greased, and then we're going to pour the mixture in here. Once you have your pan greased and you have the mixture already mixed in well, then the next step is going to be pour the mixture into your pan. Once you have the mixture in your pan, then you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours until it gets hard and it's nice and formed. I will be back in about 4 to 6 hours, and then I will let you know how this jello mousse turned out. It's been 4 hours and I've just removed my raspberry jello mousse out of my refrigerator. So now it's ready to be served. Please give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.